welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a slime to a bubble. First, what you need is slime. I use my spice coisy. It means spicy turquoise. Next is straw. Make sure your straw the hole is big. First, I want to show you my slime. This is my slime. It's really soft, it's not sticky. So let's get started. So to make sure your slime is like this, then you need to put straw like here. Okay, to that, to take it, stretch it, and then stick it at here. So stick it. If all is okay. After that, you need to blow it. Do like this first. You need to blow it. Sometimes didn't work, but it's okay. Just need to do it again. Okay, take the straw, put it back, then blow it. So easy, right? It'll be bubble. So, you guys can do it again and again.